Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to disable or enable auto updating of any installed apps in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and say let me search one application. So say Chrome. So I have already installed this Chrome application. So just click on it. And now just click on this three dot icons. Now by default, this enable auto update option will be turned on. So if you want to disable this auto updating, then just untick it. Then this respective application will not get auto update. So if you want to enable auto updating again for this respective application, then just click on this three dot icons and just turn on this enable auto update if you want to allow the auto update again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily disable or enable auto updating of any installed apps in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.